I just turned my LED TV in my living room into an interactive screen using the Wii Remote and an infrared pen for less than $100. Do you want to know how I did it? Hello everyone, Luis here. Welcome to my channel. So, interactive boards. I believe interactive boards are an excellent tool for teaching because they offer versatility, easy access to information, and they can be very engaging for students in this world of technology. However, most of the commercially available options out there, they can still be very pricey, and they need a special setup and even a specific room in your building to be able to function properly. Luckily, John A. Lee, he's an MIT researcher. He was the first one who came up with the idea of using a Wii Remote and an infrared pen to build an interactive whiteboard. This board actually deals with a lot of the issues we mentioned before. It's easy to install, it is portable, and it remains one of the most affordable options out there.
Let's talk about the components of the interactive board. First, the Wii Remote. This is the controller that came in the same box of the highly popular Nintendo console, the Wii, a few years ago. For this project, you don't need the whole console, just the controller. You can still find these in stores where electronics devices are sold, and of course, online. Prices range from $20 to $50 US. Second, the infrared pen. This is a device that emits invisible infrared light through an LED, similar to the one that you see in your standard TV and DVD remote. This is not to be confused with a laser pointer commonly used in presentations or to play with your cat as it chases the red dot around the living room. Yeah, not that one. So, our pens are going to be a little bit trickier to find in stores, but you can certainly find them online. The infrared pen that I'm actually using for this video, I got online for $19.99, mind you, so less than $20, shipping included, and it's actually really good quality. I'm going to leave a link below for you to check it out. And it came with a warning that reads that the infrared light is invisible to human eyes. You need a camcorder or a cellular phone camera to actually see it turning on and off. For iPhone users, please be warned, the iPhone camera has an infrared light filter, so this test will not work on your Apple device. And last, we have our software, which is going to tell our computer to behave as an interactive board. I'm going to show you two options today in this video: Remote Whiteboard and Smoothboard Air. And I'm going to leave all the links in the descriptions below. It's also worth noting that you can get these for free or as a free trial. Now that you have all your components ready, it's time to start the pair-up process. It's pretty much the same as pairing any other Bluetooth device. So we'll go to Bluetooth devices, add a Bluetooth device, and through this process you're going to press buttons 1 and 2 at the same time on your Wii Remote, and it will show up in your Bluetooth devices. You'll click on the pair button, and you will see that it will ask you to enter a passcode. You don't have to enter a passcode, it's not necessary. But do remember to keep pressing the buttons throughout the whole pairing process. Otherwise, sometimes it might not work. So we're just waiting here for the remote to connect. And I'm going to cancel the process to see if it's connected. Now it's almost ready, and once the progress bar finishes, it's going to be ready for. So, okay, now it's ready to use and it's connected. So the next step in the process is launching the application and doing the calibration. So we're going to exit our Bluetooth connections here, and now I have my Wii Remote whiteboard version 0.3 saved to my documents, and I have extracted the files. So I'm going to click on the Wii Remote whiteboard app on the application file. I'm going to bring a little window that appeared on the left side of my screen so you can see it. And we have some basic information about battery life, tracking utilization, and the last rectangle, you'll see calibrate location. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to start getting ready for the calibration process.
Okay, so now we have our Wii Remote paired to our computer, and we have the software installed. Now you may notice that the software that I'm using to calibrate this is a little bit different from the one I showed you before. This is a different option that you may want to use in some Windows computers, Windows 10 computers. The other software might not work properly, so this is another option out there. As you can see, I'm using the unregistered version, so this is just something to give you an idea of how it works. So we're going to start the calibration process by tapping on each of the dots that appear on the corner of the screen. Now you can have real interactive presentations in your classroom with the tools that are already pre-installed in your favorite presentation software. Would you rather make annotations directly on your screen? Try Screen Marker and start scribbling away. Open any application, visit any website, or open any CD-ROM that comes with your textbook, and you'll be able to manipulate it directly on the screen. That's pretty cool, huh? So basically the possibilities are endless. Wait, did I mention that you can transform any surface into an interactive board? Yeah, not only flat screens. It also works on walls, whiteboards, even other computer screens can be transformed into instant interactive boards. Now, that's amazing. I'm going to leave all links to resources in the description below. Also, leave a comment if you feel stuck or you need help with anything. We can figure it out together. And if you found this video useful, interesting, please consider sharing it with all of your friends. Thank you very much, and see you next time.